The 5 healthiest types of juice. Though juice is enjoyed around the world, it's a controversial beverage. When it comes to its healthiness, many people are divided. Some argue that it's too high in sugar, while others champion its high nutrient content. 1. Tomato. Tomato juice is not only a key ingredient in Bloody Marys but also enjoyed on its own as a delicious and healthy drink. While many people consider the tomato to be a vegetable due to its culinary uses, it's biologically a fruit. Still, many companies classify tomato juice as a vegetable juice due to its flavor and low sugar content. Tomato juice is particularly high in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports iron absorption and promotes skin and immune health. It's also a good source of lycopene, a carotenoid and antioxidant that gives tomatoes their red color. In fact, 80% of dietary lycopene is reported to come from tomato juice, spaghetti sauce, or pizza sauce. Lycopene may lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. For example, one review linked increased intake of lycopene to a 13% lower risk of heart disease. However, tomato juice can be very high in salt, a mineral that can increase blood pressure when consumed in excess. Considering that most people consume too much salt, try to select low-sodium options when possible. 2. Beet. Beet juice has gained popularity in recent years due to its associated health benefits. This colorful juice is made by blending beets and water. It's relatively low in sugar, as most vegetables are naturally lower in sugar than fruits. What's more, beets are a great source of betalains, which are pigments that give the vegetable its deep red color. They act as potent antioxidants, potentially lowering your risk of heart disease, inflammation, and certain types of cancer. Beet juice is also high in inorganic nitrates, which have been shown to increase athletic performance and decrease blood pressure and heart disease risk. Still, keep in mind that the inorganic nitrate content of beet juice depends on the variety and growing conditions of the vegetable, as well as the processing method. Since the nitrate content is not listed on most labels, it's difficult to know to what extent drinking beet juice will provide nitrate-related benefits. 3. Apple. Apple juice is one of the most popular types of juice. There are 2 main types, cloudy and clear. Cloudy apple juice contains pulp, while clear apple juice has had the pulp removed. Apple juice is a moderate source of potassium, a mineral that acts as an electrolyte and is important for nerve signaling and heart health. Although it's naturally low in vitamin C, many commercial varieties are enriched with vitamin C, providing up to 106% of the DV per cup, 240 milliliters. Furthermore, it's high in antioxidant compounds like flavonoids and chlorogenic acid, which help neutralize cell-damaging free radicals. Among the different types, cloudy apple juice is the highest in antioxidants. In one study, it was found to have 2 to 5 times the antioxidant content of clear apple juice. 4. Orange. Orange juice is a classic breakfast staple around the world and well known for its nutritional properties. Orange juice is a significant source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that is essential for skin health and iron absorption. It's also high in phenolic compounds, such as cinnamic, ferulic, and chlorogenic acids. These antioxidant compounds help fight free radicals, which can damage cells and lead to disease. A study in 30 people found that drinking orange juice after a high-fat, carb-rich meal led to significantly lower inflammation levels, compared with drinking water or glucose water. The researchers attributed this to the antioxidants in orange juice. You can purchase orange juice with or without the pulp. The pulp adds a bit of fiber, though not a significant amount. Plus, many orange juice varieties have added calcium to support bone health. 5. Grapefruit. Grapefruit juice is a tart drink that many people enjoy. Grapefruit juice is rich in disease-fighting antioxidants like vitamin C in a compound known as naringin. However, processing the fruit decreases its content of certain antioxidants. For example, whole grapefruit is rich in beta-carotene and lycopene, but grapefruit juice lacks these nutrients. It's important to know that grapefruit and its juice interact with over 85 medications, including blood thinners, antidepressants, and cholesterol and blood pressure medications. This is due to compounds in grapefruit known as furanocoumarins, which interact with your liver's ability to process medications. Therefore, it's crucial to speak with a healthcare professional before eating grapefruit and its derivatives. If you like this video, you can help the channel with a like, a share and a subscribe. Thanks for watching.